Hello guys, welcome to our new channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very common Xbox mobile app not loading on Android. So, if you are struggling with this problem, then this video is going to be a savior for you. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Xbox mobile app is heavily reliant on a stable and fast internet connection. If your network is slow or not working, Xbox app will not load. To check and fix it, turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Sometimes apps' internal issues might cause such problems. Therefore, it is suggested to relaunch the Xbox app once to get rid of app not loading problem. Clearing Xbox app cache is another method that can help you removing all the temporary stored files and fix this problem. For this, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the Xbox app. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Sometimes, an outdated Xbox app can develop unexpected issues that may prevent you from managing your console or playing remotely. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. To do so, open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Update section, find the Xbox app and tap the Update button if available. Occasionally, Xbox may experience server issues. However, you can check the status of servers on the official status tracker by visiting https://downdetector.com/status/xbox-live/. If the server is showing down, then wait for the server to come back online. Uninstalling and reinstalling the Xbox mobile app could work for you. To uninstall app, find the Xbox mobile app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Xbox mobile app. Go to Google Play Store and type Xbox in search box. Tap on it, then Uninstall option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app, set up your account, and see if the problem is solved or not. So, this is all about fixing Xbox mobile app not loading on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.